Hi, we have come up with another course and this time it is on AWS Lambda. The course title is AWS Serverless with Lambda. In this course, you will learn about serverless architecture and its significance, serverless services on AWS, AWS Lambda and its limitations, and integration of Lambda with other AWS services. Let's look into what is AWS Serverless. The serverless computation can simplify the process of deploying code, scaling capacity planning, and maintenance operations can be concealed from the developer or operator. Now let's see the course description. You will learn serverless computing from scratch using Lambda. You'll explore all its core features and many advanced features as well. In this course, you will be building on AWS Serverless and explore AWS services to build a basic application and deploying it without any VMs or servers. Some of the AWS services you will work with in this course are Lambda, S3, API Gateway, CloudFront, DynamoDB, and Kinesis. Let's look into the target audience of this course. The developers interested on AWS, solution architects interested about Lambda, AWS certification aspirants, AWS absolute beginners. Let's see the prerequisites to begin with this course. You should have the basic knowledge on cloud infrastructure concepts and basic Linux commands and working knowledge on AWS cloud services, and you should have free tier AWS account, and you should be familiar with basic coding in Python and Node.js. Let's see the lessons for this course. In the first lesson, you will learn the introduction to AWS Lambda, AWS Lambda fundamentals. In third lesson, you will learn how to create API with API Gateway and AWS Lambda and trigger S3 event and data storage with DynamoDB and the Lambda. In fifth lesson, you will learn security using Lambda and optimization for production. And in the seventh lesson, streaming data processing with AWS Lambda. The practices for this course are: in first lesson, you will learn creating first AWS Lambda function and accessing Lambda logs. In the second lesson, you will learn handling S3 events using AWS Lambda and configuring S3 events triggered for AWS Lambda. In third lesson, you will learn creating an AWS API gateway, connecting Lambda function to API gateway endpoints and test the function, and creating canary deployment in API gateway using Lambda function. In fourth lesson, you will learn how to set up Lambda functions with S3 event triggers and data storage with DynamoDB and Lambda. In the fifth lesson, you will learn how to revert security group changes using Lambda and adding Lambda authorizer to API gateway. In sixth lesson, you will learn how to use stage variables and setting up a CloudFront CDN. Lastly, in the seventh lesson, you will learn creating and configuring Kinesis stream event in AWS Lambda and processing Kinesis stream data with AWS Lambda and generating streaming data for Kinesis stream. The practice environment required to complete this course are an AWS account to access the cloud resources, AWS user account consisting with access key and secret key, AWS user account with privileges to update or add IAM rules, and Putty installed on your local machine. In this course, you have learned about detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, detailed course schedule, practice environment used in the course to do the activities.